Assalamualaikum and good morning. So now we are going to discuss for subtopic 1.3 Stoichiometry, question 21 until 27. So question 21, write balanced chemical equation. So this chemical equation, okay, the first one is combustion of butane C4H10 react with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. So this one we call as complete combustion, because the product is carbon dioxide and water. So the first one, so reactant we have C4H10, so oxygen is O2, produce carbon dioxide and water. So we start with balancing for carbon. So 1 carbon on your left hand side, 4 carbon, so this one 4 C. Okay, next we balance for hydrogen, because hydrogen appear only once here. So we have 10 hydrogen, so balance, we put 5 here. Okay, then after that we balance for oxygen, so 5 oxygen, 8 oxygen, so this one is 13 over 2. Okay, second equation is reaction between iron Fe and water to produce iron 3 oxide, so Fe 3O4 and hydrogen gas H2. So same goes as question A. So we start balance for Fe. So 1 Fe, 3 Fe. So we put here 3. Then siapa yang appear once? Okay, so we balance for oxygen first. So nanti kita balance ini oxygen, kita akan increase number of hydrogen. So 4 oxygen here, so we put here 4 to get 4 oxygen. Then we have 8 hydrogen, so here 4 hydrogen to get 8 hydrogen. Okay, so this is balance equation for question 21. The second question, question 22, balance redox equation in two conditions, acidic and basic medium. Okay, so first we divide into two half equation. The first half equation, CrOH3 produce CrO3 to minus, and the second half equation is IO3 minus produce I minus. So we start balance for the first half equation dulu. So balance for metal, remember MOHE. So metal, oxygen, hydrogen, electron. So balance for metal 1Cr 1Cr. So then balance for oxygen by adding water. So here we have 3 oxygen, so 3 oxygen balance. Then we balance for hydrogen by adding H plus. So here we have 3H, no H here, so we put 3H plus. So balance for all element, then balance for charge by adding electron. So here we have 0 overall, so this one -2 times 1, -2, +1 times 3, +3. So overall on your right hand side is +1. So +1 dengan 0, yang more positif ialah +1. Okay, side yang more positif kita akan tambah elektron. So how many electron we need to add to get same number of electron as your left hand side? So kita tambah 1 electron. Okay, now we go for the second half equation. So second half equation, here we have 1I, 3 oxygen, no oxygen. So to balance for oxygen, we add water. So how many water? 3 water. So we have extra 6 hydrogen on your right hand side. So kita balance tambah 6H plus. Okay, so balance for all element. Then we calculate for charge. So -1 times 1, -1, positive 1 times 6, positive 6. So overall on your left hand side is positive 5. So this one -1, this one 0. So overall here, right hand side -1. So which side is the most positive side? Yes, left hand side, positive 5. So how many electron we need to add to have same number of electron as on your right hand side? Yes, we add 6 electron. Okay, so to make sure your working step is correct, so make sure electron yang kita tambah tu mesti pada opposite side. So sini kita tambah electron di sebelah kiri, sini kita tambah sebelah kanan. Okay, so to total up these two half equation, kita akan samakan number of electron. So this one 1 electron, this one 6 electron. So yang ini first half equation we need to times by 6. So totalkan these two half equation, we have 6 CrOH3 produce 6 CrO3 2 minus plus 18 H plus 6 electron. Okay, second half equation, IO3 minus plus 6H plus 6 electron produce I minus plus 3 water. Okay, totalkan these two half equation. So cancel 6 and 6 electron. Okay, so here we have 18H plus. So yang ini kita ada 6H plus. So 18 minus 6 tinggal sini 12H plus. Okay, so ada lagi tak yang sama pada both side? No, so we write the overall equation. So 6CrOH3 plus IO3 minus produce 6CrO3 2 minus plus 12H plus I minus plus 3 water. Okay, double check total number of both element pada both side tu sama. Okay, 12 I minus and 3 water. Okay, so same goes untuk electron. Okay, then untuk proceed, okay, this one is the answer for acidic medium. Okay, because at the end of the equation kita ada H plus. Okay, then to proceed for basic medium, we need to add OH minus. So how many OH minus we need to add depends on how many H plus we have. So we have 12 H plus. So we add 12 H plus on your right hand, OH minus on your right hand side, and also 12 OH minus on your left hand side. So we know that this combination will form water. So 12 H plus combined with 12 OH minus produce 12 water. So 12 water combined with 3 H2O produce 15 H2O. So we write it back plus 15 H2O plus I minus. So here 6 CrOH3 plus IO3 minus plus 12 OH minus. Okay, on make sure on your right hand side we don't have the same molecule or ion appear twice. Okay, then double check. So we have at the end of the equation OH minus, no more H plus, so meaning this one is in basic medium. Okay, double check for element, right and your left hand side. Make sure number of element are same. 6 CrO3 2 minus 15 water. Okay, so this is the answer for basic medium. Okay, for these two question 23 and 24, okay, because we are repeating the same step, so I just write the final answer. Okay, for question 23 in basic in acidic medium, so you just need to follow the previous step. 14H plus Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6Cl minus produce 3Cl2 plus 2Cr3 plus 7 water. So yang ni in acidic medium. Okay, the second one for basic medium, okay, we just add OH minus 7 water plus Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6Cl minus produce 2Cr3 plus 14OH minus plus 3Cl2. So this one is in basic medium. Okay, and for question 24, okay, if we refer to question 24, we have only one reactant. So actually this reactant we can use twice, meaning the first half equation is Cl2 produce ClO4 minus, and the second half equation daripada Cl2 produce Cl minus. Okay, so yang ini pun saya sama juga, saya akan bagi final answer je untuk acidic plus 4Cl2 produce ClO4 minus plus 7 Okay, so this one the answer for basic medium. So I proceed to question 25. So question 25, given the question, write the balance redox equation. So this one is reaction between, okay, for the titration. So titration begin here. The solution form is titrate with KM-Pensyarah, which oxidize. Okay, so this is the first half equation, Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus, while the MnO4 minus are reduced to Mn2 plus. Okay, ada dua half equation sana, satu ialah oxidation, satu lagi ialah reduction. So we will use that ion, that two half equation to form overall equation. Okay, and calculate percentage of iron in the sample. So the first one, Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus, first half equation. Second half equation, we have MnO4 minus pada Mn2 plus. Okay, so soalan ni dia tak mention in acidic or basic medium. So, oh sorry, ada in acid solution. So kita just guna untuk acidic step. Okay, so I just give you the answer. So the answer 5Fe 2 plus MnO4 minus plus 8H plus produce 5Fe3 plus of water. Okay, based on this equation, we can calculate percentage of iron for question B. So for question B, according to the question, mole of MnO4 minus, okay, you are given volume and also molarity. So remember, mole can be calculated using two formula. Okay, the first one mass over molar mass. Okay, lagi satu ialah mv over 1000. So here we use the second formula. So to calculate for mole, mv over 1000. Molarity times volume bahagi 1000. So kenapa bahagi 1000? Because volume ni dalam ml. So 0.02 times 92.95 divided by 1000. 1.859 exponent negative 3 mole. Okay, according to, we want to calculate for iron. So according to equation, what is the relation between MnO4 minus and iron? 1 to 5. So this one. So from equation, 1 mole of MnO4 minus 1 mole of Fe2 plus. So if we have 1.859 exponent negative 3 mole of MnO4 minus, how many mole of Fe2 plus? Okay, ini cross multiply, darab silang. So we have here 9.25 exponent negative 3 mole of Fe. So in this question, kita anggap Fe2 plus sama juga dengan Fe. So to get the mass, so kita ada mole, so calculate lah mass of Fe mole times Ar. So mole 9.259 exponent negative 3 times, okay, Ar for Fe is 55.9. So we have here mass Fe 0.52 gram. Okay, so dia nak percentage. So in sample, so kita ada sample ialah 1.55. So kita ada 0.52 mass of Fe. So berapa persen over, so percentage of iron yang ada 0.52 gram divided by sample times 100% of iron. So 33.52%. Okay, maksudnya berapa iron yang pure dalam iron ore. Iron ore ialah campuran iron. Question 26. Okay, ini pun hampir sama macam tadi tu. So kita cari redox equation tu. So Cr2O72 minus to Cr3 plus. Okay, another one ialah Fe, yang ini, Fe2 plus oxidize to Fe3 plus. Write the balanced redox equation. So yang ni saya just tulis the final answer. Okay, stepnya sama macam tadi. Fe2 plus Cr2O72 minus plus 14H plus produce 6Fe3 plus 2Cr3 plus 7 water. Okay, then calculate question B. Calculate percentage by mass of iron in the iron ore. Sama juga macam tadi ni. So calculate dulu mole given. So yang dia bagi ialah molarity dan juga volume of K2Cr2O7. So K2Cr2O7 yang inilah dalam kita punya equation. So calculate mole of Cr2O7 to minus using formula mv over 1000. Okay, so mv over 1000, molarity 0.01 times 23.30 divided by 1000. 4.52 exponent 4 mole. Okay, then relate daripada soalan ni macam tadi, apalah hubungan Cr2O72 minus dengan Fe2 plus. So 1 mol to 6 mol. So from equation, from equation 1 mol Cr2O72 minus 6 mol Fe2 plus. So 4.52 exponent negative 4 mol of Cr2O72 minus akan dapat berapa mol Fe2 plus. Ini pun sama macam tadi, cross multiply 2.71 exponent negative 3 mol Fe2 plus. So daripada mol boleh calculate for mass. So mass for Fe2 plus ialah mol times AR. So 2.71 exponent negative 3 times 55.9, 0.151 gram. Okay, so dia bagi sampel yang ada campuran iron tu 0.2792. So calculate lah percentage for iron. 0.151 divided by 0.2792 times 100%. 54.08%. Okay, let's ada lagi. Question 27. Write a balanced equation for the neutralization reaction. So neutralization kita tahu reaction between acid and base. So acid H2SO4, base KOH, produce K2SO4 plus water. So balance 2K, 2K, then hydrogen, sulfur 1, so 2 water. Okay, question B, calculate mass of K2SO4 if we have 0.85 mol of KOH. So relation between KOH and K2SO4 2 to 1. So from equation Fe ialah from equation 2 mol KOH, 1 mol K2SO4. So we have 0.85 mol of KOH. Berapa mol K2SO4? So ini cross multiply 0.425 mol. Okay, then calculate for mass. Mol times molar mass. 0.425 times molar mass for K2. 4.08 gram. Okay, so that's all for question 21 until 27.